Lesson 6. Games. When we work all the time and have no time to relax, our mind becomes dull. When we play games, we relax our mind. Game is a mental or physical contest played according to rules. It provides pleasure, excitement, challenge, and relaxation. It also helps in development of mental, physical, and social skills. Games which are competitive in nature are called sports. Types of games. There are mainly two types of games. They are indoor and outdoor games. Indoor games. Indoor games are played inside a building. We play chess, snakes and ladders, carom and ludo inside our homes. Outdoor games. Outdoor games are played in open grounds, courts and stadium. We play cricket, football, hockey, tennis and basketball outside in the playground or stadium. Individual and team games. The games in which a player plays alone against another player are called individual games. Golf, chess and billiards are some examples of individual games. The games in which a group of players play against another group are called team games. A group of players forms a team. Football, cricket, volleyball, hockey are team games. Team spirit. The cooperation and coordination among the team members is called team spirit. Every team needs a team spirit to win. It inspires every player to play for the team and not for herself or himself. The head of the teams, called the team leader or captain, is the one who directs all the players. The captain chalks out the strategy. The team members trust their captain. Playing together. At schools and neighborhoods, girls and boys play together. There are separate teams for women and men for all sports played at the national and international level. However, in certain sports like tennis and badminton, both women and men may jointly play as team. They play under a category called mixed doubles. No more. The origin of hockey actually goes back to ancient Egypt and Greece, where games were played with curved sticks and a ball. National game. The national game of a country is that game or sport which is considered to be an important part of the culture of that country. Hockey is the national game of India. A national team consists of players from different parts of the country. They play as a team. Local games. Games which are played only in certain areas are local games of that place. They reflect the tradition and culture of that particular area. Usually teachers called gurus train the players. Some local games played in different parts of India are as follows. Archery. Archery is the art, practice or skill of propelling arrows with the use of a bow. Right from the ancient period, people were specially trained to use the bow and the arrow. People used bow and arrow as their main weapon in the battlefield until the development of firearms. Historically, archery has been used for hunting and combat, while in modern times, its main use is that of a recreational activity. A person who participates in archery is known as an archer or bowman. Kabaddi. Kabaddi is a team contact sport that originated in India. Two teams occupy opposite halves of a field and take turns sending a raider into the other half in order to win points by tagging the members of the opponent team. The raider then tries to return to his own half, holding his breath and chanting Kabaddi, Kabaddi, Kabaddi. During the whole raid, the opposite team tries to hold him in their half till the raider's breath is exhausted. The name often chanted during a game derives from a Hindi word meaning holding of breath, which is indeed the crucial aspect of play. It is the national game of Bangladesh and the state game of Punjab, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh in India. It is played as Hututu in Maharashtra. Kho-Kho. Kho-Kho is a popular traditional Indian game played by men as well as women. Kho-Kho was once called Rathera because it was played on raths, chariots. It is one of the popular sports of Maharashtra. In fact, the word Kho in Marathi means go and chase. Martial arts. Karate, an international sport these days that had its origin in India. Buddhist monks from China popularized the techniques of self-defense in China. From China, it spread to Japan, where it developed into the present form. Karate literally means empty hand fighting. Some popular martial arts of India are Kalarai Payattu or simply Payattu is one of the martial exercises practiced in Kerala. Pahalwani or Kushti, which is practiced in different parts of the country under different names. Thangta and Sarit Sarak are performed by Meitei tribe of Manipur. Changing patterns of local games and martial arts. Over time, traditional local games and martial arts have undergone many changes. For example, boat racing has evolved into rowing. Pahalwani has evolved into modern wrestling. Children now join coaching camps to learn to play games and martial arts like judo and karate. Some more traditional games: Patangbazi, camel, bullock and boat races, cock, pigeon, bull and ram fights, Chaturanga, Inbuan, Silly and Bam, etc. are some other popular local games of India. Let's recall. Indoor and outdoor games are the two types of games. Indoor games are played inside a building. Outdoor games are played in open grounds, courts and stadiums. In individual games, a player plays alone against another player. In team games, a group of players play against another group. Hockey is the national game of our country. Archery, kabaddi, kho-kho and martial arts are some local games played only in certain areas.